Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word lame. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. His excuse for not coming to the party was so lame, nobody believed it. In this context, lame means unconvincing or weak. It is used to describe an excuse or justification that is not believable or adequate. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.